Secret way to beat the crypto market in Phoenix.
Hi there, my name is Nate Martin. I'm a spokesperson for the Cryptocurrency Institute, and in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to reveal to you a weird but simple, low-risk cryptocurrency investment loophole that has allowed students of ours to turn $20 into over $100,000 in just 3 months. Yes, just moments after watching this presentation, you'll know the one simple crypto loophole that the top 1% of the hidden elite class of investors exploit to get returns of 150%, 500%, and even 10,000%, sometimes within a few months or even weeks. Here's just a short breakdown of the returns they were able to achieve. 752% gain in 9 days, 503% gain in 3 weeks, 2,400% gain in 50 days, 1,992% gain in 4 weeks. Now, if you thought that was a fluke, let me tell you, these results are nothing compared to the explosive profits that some of the best performers achieved in this market. Here's a screenshot of them. If you bought NXT when it was launched, your investment would have increased by 518,832%. If you bought IOTA when it was launched, your investment would have increased by 145,980%. If you bought Ethereum when it was launched, your investment would have increased by 96,560%. And the list goes on and on. So as you can see, what I'm about to show you isn't a best-case hypothetical situation that never happens in real life. All the stats I mentioned to you are 100% obtainable, achievable, and completely real. But there is one catch. You have to move fast. The window of opportunity to profit from this is rapidly closing. I'll explain why in a moment, but all you need to know is this. It doesn't matter how old you are and never invested before. It doesn't matter if you have no investing or trading experience at all. It doesn't even matter if you don't have a lot of money. In fact, you can start today for as little as $10. If you start today, you too can start profiting moments after watching this presentation and making money from using this amazing little loophole. Imagine the tech boom in the 90s all over again, except this time it's 100,000 times bigger, more reliable, and it won't be isolated to only American companies. In fact, Forbes recently had a front page cover titled Bitcoin, Cryptocurrency, the Future. Did you know cryptocurrency is already gaining worldwide acceptance, with governments in Russia, Japan, China, and the United States starting to accept these investments? And as of right now, it just also happens to be the world's fastest method of creating millionaires, currently producing worldwide 100 millionaires a day. All the smart money have already made their move and transferred large portions of their holdings into this new up-and-coming opportunity. I'm talking about moguls like Richard Branson, founder of Virgin, Bill Gates from Microsoft, Marc Andreessen, founder of Netscape, PayPal co-founder Peter Thiel, billionaire philanthropist Mark Cuban, and many more. So this means if you don't have your money invested here, it'll be like having your money in old school typewriters when desktop computers took over the world. And no, I'm not talking about investing in the popular cryptocurrency coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Dash, or Monaco. What I'm going to reveal to you is something that is even more profitable than all these currencies combined. Yes, what I'm about to reveal to you is that powerful. So how do I know this works? Well, after showing more than 19,382 students in USA, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, and New Zealand, our team of international analysts and researchers are proud to report a 96% success rate, with the average return across the board being over 759%. The best thing is, the method I'm about to show you works at such low risk that it might as well be risk-free. So if you're looking to jump on board an entirely new class of investments and also exploit this loophole that will explode your portfolio within a few short weeks and sometimes in just days?
This isn't far away like a space program. This isn't years away like electric energy. The breakthrough of cryptocurrency is poised to begin in months, and the dominoes are going to fall faster than you can imagine.
Remember, the deadline is 30 June of this year.
So this is your chance to become yet another success story of ours, instead of watching it wistfully. It's your chance to pass something on to your children besides stress. It's your chance to become a boss instead of working for one. It's true. If you act now, your total investment is just the one-time minimal 100% refundable deposit you see on the page right now. but this introductory price could end at any time. So click the button below now to get started, because you deserve to have financial freedom, and you deserve to have it now. So what are you waiting for? Approval from the clueless media? A few more billionaires to buy in? Your friends and neighbors to go to early retirement while you're scraping your old school trades together? Go ahead and look around. But remember that by the time you get that, the real opportunity will be gone forever. So take action for yourself. Take action for your family. Take action for any reason. Just try it. It's risk-free. Click that button now. Remember, this really is absolutely risk-free with a 60-day, 100% satisfaction guarantee. And I have to once again warn you, if you don't take action immediately, I cannot promise that you'll be able to receive these secrets after today. Click the big button right now and give it a test drive for 60 days. We're confident that you're going to be absolutely blown away by the secrets you are about to discover. Let's face it, you and your family deserve a secure and safe financial future. I know that if you've watched this far, you know that as well. Now is the time to take what is rightfully yours. Now is the time to experience the kind of lifestyle that you were destined and deserved to live. It's time for you to take charge of your financial future so you too can profit tremendously from the world's greatest gold rush in the entire history of mankind. This is what you will experience if you click the button below and try out the Cryptocurrency Codex. Once you click the button below, you will receive instant access to these bonuses on top of the Cryptocurrency Codex. Fast Action Bonus number 1. Ask Me Anything private Facebook group. Fast Action Bonus number 2, Cryptocurrency Trading Crusher video course. Fast Action Bonus number 3, Cryptocurrency Mining Mastery video course. Fast Action Bonus number 4, Cryptocurrency Storage Secrets video course. Fast Action Bonus number 5, Unlimited Lifetime Updates to the system. Make today the day that you change your life once and for all. It only takes one click of the button below. Whatever you decide to do, I truly wish you the best. Pat Kendrick. Questions and answers. Hi there. If you're still here and you're still listening, that means you're interested in cryptocurrency, but you're not 100% ready to make the move, risk-free or not. So I wanted to answer some of the most frequently asked questions. Mike from Dallas says, I like the idea of investing in these currencies, but I'm not sure it's for me. I really do not have a lot of money to spend. I have a day job. I have my own bills, and I don't have a lot of free time to study like it's a college course. Should I still be thinking about this? Absolutely. Listen, if you're in this position, the method was designed for you. The course is not filled with economics talk. I am a professional economist, but everything that I've said over the last half hour has been in plain English, and this method is created in the same way. We've crafted this especially for working-class, middle-aged people who don't know a lot about cryptocurrency and need to be brought up to speed, need to get around the technical hassles and hurdles, and need to turn the few bucks they've got left after they paid their bills into real assets. That is why our clients, and that means you, hopefully, have been seeing great success with this system. Here's Abe S. from St. Louis. I don't have a lot of doubts about your ability to deliver this information of your enthusiasm, but I don't know if I know how to do this stuff. Does a 60-day guarantee have any loopholes? What you're making right now is a test investment. For 2 months, you get to look at the system and try it yourself. And you can return this course and get your money back for any reason. Marshall from Pikesville, Maryland says, how complicated is this and how long does it take to make money? Nothing at the core of what we discuss here is harder than checking email or logging into your bank account online. That means if you feel like you can't log into a website, make a deposit, be patient, collect money, this isn't right for you. We've taught this method to a lot of people already, so if you were smart enough to find this page, you're smart enough to do this. As for the time to profit, I don't have the ability to predict the future. Even in the 90s, stocks had weeks where they went up and weeks when they went down. This is a class of currency that's trending upwards, and you can invest in them just like a stock. We've got complete confidence that in the years to come, this is going to be a massive investment. If you're looking to build a future, start here. If you've got a little money saved, add this to your existing investments. Ashley from Winnipeg, Canada says, is this offer valid if I live outside the United States? Yeah, I want to emphasize you do not need to be an American citizen to invest in any of this stuff. It's safe in any currency and any location. I want to thank you for watching this extra bonus Q&A. Please feel free to send in your questions about this product if I didn't answer that one question that was ringing at the back of your own mind. But I think for most people, we've gotten their big concerns. So now it really is time to make that big decision. I want to encourage you to click that link on this page. Just click it, fill out the form, join this family, and I will greet you inside the members area with your copy of the Cryptocurrency Codex.